Dentures have been the common solution to replace missing teeth. But what if I tell you there is a better solution? In one day, with the help of dental implants, you can walk out with a set of teeth that you can start using and start functioning the same day. People who wear dentures for a long period of time, unfortunately, do suffer from resorption of the jawbone, and there's a lot of issues associated with that, especially lower arch. It's hard to keep it in there, and so every time they eat, we have patients tell me it comes out all the time, and it falls out when they talk. They're not confident when they go out up in the public, when they go and meet people. All on X is a great solution for those patients in order to go ahead and stop that process. When patients come in for consult, we take a very thorough approach to diagnostics. And if there are cases where they don't have enough bone for dental implants right away, there are different techniques that we can utilize, such as using bone grafts to be able to regenerate the bone. During that appointment, we'll also go over the financial options that are available in terms of financing so that we can go ahead and help you on the journey to the smile of your dreams.